Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. It could be any engine Fiat 500, and if you need to clean multi-air solenoid or variable timing solenoid, stay with us. We'll explain what you can use. Most of the times you cannot remove and replace the solenoid or to clean them, but there is a trick and we'll cover that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Fiat 500, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So what we have specifically here, 1.4 turbo engine. Even if you have a different engine, gasoline, diesel engine with multi-air system, guys. Now, let me just get, I want to show you a picture of something, guys. We had a multi-air engine taken apart before, and this is the multi-air. The variable timing solenoids are right here. This for cylinder number 1, 2, respectively 3, and cylinder number 4 right here. On most cars, guys, okay, now variable timing solenoids can be removed and they can be easily cleaned. On these ones, however, guys, okay, they cannot be cleaned because they come as the whole brick assembly, guys. Okay, let me show you now here. This is the brick assembly. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's part of the whole assembly with the variable timing valves and everything, guys. This is the whole assembly. You can see it. There is no bolts. Practically, if you take it all the way apart, you might be able to remove them and clean them, but so that will require a tremendous amount of work, guys. And what I would recommend, okay, to actually, guys, do is do an engine oil flush. Okay, leaky moly engine oil flush. That thing can do wonders, guys. Okay, follow the instructions. I didn't believe that stuff until I used it. I used it on a Porsche Cayenne with really high mileage, 190,000 miles. That's 30,000 kilometers, something like that. And the engine looked like new when we open it. Change your oil one time, do oil flush. That can help a lot. And when you do an oil flush, always change the oil filter, put fresh oil, run the car for a little bit and see if that will take care of the variable timing solenoids as well, guys, because in some cases, okay, it could be something that's stuck. Also, another thing, you have a special filter for the multi-air engine, for the it's known as multi-air oil filter. It's under the timing cover here. It's a little bitty filter that needs to be replaced as well. If you have problems with variable timing solenoids not working, replace the multi-air filter as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.